So I'm going to do a 2-for-1 video here, guys. We're here at the Longueuil-Université-de-Sherbrooke station, also known as LUDS, and I want to show you something here. This is incredible. This is why I wanted to do a 2-for-1 video. I'm going to show you guys upstairs in a minute the new food court mezzanine that's been built here. But this caught me off guard. Look at these new LED lights, the new signal boxes. This is incredible. This really caught me off guard. I mean, these are brand new. They've just installed them, and these are replacing the old style signal boxes. I'll try to get a closer video eventually, but man, talk about a surprise. Wow. And apparently it's the whole yellow line now that has those new signal boxes. Like I said, I'll do another video another time. And what did I say? When they start retiring those old signal boxes, I'd love to get my hands on one as a souvenir. So it looks like now's the time to start looking out for them. But that's incredible. That really caught me by surprise to see that. I've heard rumors about them throughout the transit community, but to see that, I mean, it's surreal. It's someone that's seen the old style ones for the longest time. Definitely weird to see those. So the entire yellow line has those now, those new LED square signal boxes, and of course those are to tell the operator if it's a solid square to wait. If it's a hollow square, you can go ahead, and of course when there's a service disruption, those 3 lights blink along with the solid square. So if you guys have watched my service disruption videos, you'll see that. The 3 lights blinking, the 3 round lights blinking, along with the solid square being on. So here we are. This is another historical video because this is my first time here at this new mezzanine here at Longueuil-Université-de-Sherbrooke, LUDS station, Longueuil-Université-de-Sherbrooke. And if you haven't been here in a while, look at this, eh? So there's the McDonald's there that was originally there. We got a Poulet Rouge as well. And I have a video that I'm going to put up soon showing what it used to look like here before they did all these renovations. Way back when I started my channel. Used to have escalators here. So looks like they're doing some finishing touches here. But over here is the platform to get on the yellow line. Here you have your main signage. I got the Christmas trees here. And for those of you that remember the McDonald's that used to be here, well, it's back, along with the Poulet Rouge restaurant, which, by the way, I recently tried and was quite decent, I must say. So I'm not sure what the hours are for that McDonald's. And then, of course, over here, we have our bus terminus for the RTL buses and a couple of intercity buses as well for EXO and whatnot. So there you have it, brand new signalization signs and a brand new mezzanine here at Longueuil, University of Sherbrooke Station. So, and these are, I guess, the different restaurants that are going to be coming here. Now, if you're like me, you remember the original layout of this place. There was escalators here, very old escalators all throughout. There's some businesses as well on the bottom floor as soon as you come out the metro. But there it is. So, and what's missing here, guys? How many times have I said it? What's the one thing that's missing here? An elevator. Why is there no elevator in 2026 going down to the metro level? I don't understand it. So I did a rant on this a couple of times. You know, they can build this new condo, this new fancy area, but they can't put an elevator on to the yellow line here at Longueuil Metro Station. So anyways, I don't know if it's planned but there you have it. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna make the video 5 minutes long here. One more little peek around here. So, all right, guys, more videos to come.